What's up YouTube? YugiDude3000 here, and today I have something totally awesome for you. I have a Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy booster box. That is freaking sweet. Look at that. Brand new, sealed, just got this. So let's open this bad boy up and see what kind of awesome cards we can get out of here. So open this up. See what we can get. Let's open this up here. Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. It'll be freaking sweet. There we go. Let's just pop that side open. Okay, here we go. Put those up there. Here we go. First pack. Let's see if we get something cool here. There you go. First pack. A Altitude Knight. Just a rare. First rare Altitude Knight. Next pack. There we go. A Mecha Phantom Beast Tether Wolf and a Gear. Super rare Gear. Very cool. Next pack. There we go. King of the Feral Imps. A Fairy Cheer Girl. And just a rare. Check out this King of Feral Imps. It looks pretty cool. Next pack. See if I get maybe a double secret rares. That'd be pretty cool. Or a ghost rare. A Brotherhood of the Firefist Rhino. And another rare. Next pack. Come on. Just one super so far. Brotherhood of the Firefist Buffalo. And just another rare. So we got a couple more packs on this right side here. About 6 more packs. 7 more packs we got on the right side. Looks like the Hulk. Hulk smash. Altitude Knight. Another rare. We got the Hulk. Next pack. And the Hulk again. Xyz's Revenge. And a number 105 Battling Boxer Star Cestus. Check it out. Number 105. Got my number collection. Pretty cool. Oh, cards falling everywhere. Okay, here we go. Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. And a Noble Knight Gualachavad. That's cool. So look at him. Check out his effect. Pretty sweet. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. A white or a Wheel of Prophecy. Another rare. Next pack. Here we go. Mecha Phantom Beast Tether Wolf. Another rare. 2 more packs on the right side. So far, we got 2 supers and 1 ultra. See if we get a secret Brotherhood of the Firefish Rhino, and a Brotherhood of the Firefish Cardinal. Secret rare is pretty cool. Ask and you shall receive. It's pretty sweet. Check them out. See the effect. Come on, focus camera. There you go. His effect. There he is. Looks pretty cool. Brotherhood of the Firefish Cardinal. Secret rare. Okay. Now the last pack on the right side. A Fairy Cheer Girl and a Madolche Knight. Super rare Madolche Knight. Okay, now the left side. Here we go with left side. Come on, can I get 2 secrets out of here? Do a barrel roll? Do a barrel roll. It's funny. Funny name for that. Next pack. A Tempest Dragon Ruler of Storms. Rare. Oh, keep hitting the camera. There you go. Okay, next pack. Come on. To get a ghost. A number 69 Heraldry Crest. And a Constellar Omega Ultimate Rare. Let's put this one to the side over there. My number collection. It's pretty sweet. Ultimate Rare. Come on, camera. Focus. Oh well. Good enough. There it is. Constellar Omega Ultimate Rare. Oh, camera focus. Okay, the Hulk. A Ice Beast Zero Fine. Green Dustin. Next pack, come on. There we go. Another Hulk. A Big Whale. And a Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. Super rare. Pretty cool looking. Let's get those over. Okay, here we go. We got 7 packs, including this one. So here we go. Come on, let's get a ghost. A Go 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 Gigas. You either get a ghost or another secret. Here we go. Chaos Xyz Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. Pretty cool looking. Next pack. Come on. A Redox Dragon Ruler of Boulders, and a Mermail Abyss Balin Ultra Rare. Pretty cool looking. Looks weird. It's a whale. Looks pretty cool. Got 4 more packs left. Come on, Ghost Rare. Xyz Revenge and a Green Dustin. Come on, Ghost Rare. There we go. Come on. Harpy's Pet Phantom Dragon and a Historic Sign. Super rare. Okay, we got 2 more packs left. Come on, Ghost Rare. Or another secret. I'll be happy with that too. Okay, sorry about that. My memory chip filled up again. This memory chip's going crazy here. So we got a Fortress tops. Wait, Fortress tops. Fortress tops. A rare. Okay, and the last pack. Come on. Let's end it with the holo. A number 69 Heraldry Crest. And just a rare. So here we go. That's everything I got here. See here. Let's put these together. Let me fix these up here. Okay, here we go. Got a super rare Gear. A super rare number 105 Battling Boxer Star Cestus. A Madolce Knight. A Historic Sign. A Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. A Mermail Abyss Balayan. A Noble Knight Gawachalved. A Ultimate Rare Constellar Omega. And then a Secret Rare Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Cardinal. Pretty cool. So there's everything. Everything is for sale or trade. You know, just PM me. Except for the number one. I'm gonna keep the number. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe. And see you later.